when the washer door cannot be opened, or if there is a lock sign on the washer, first use a bucket and then take off the cap of this little water pipe. Let it drain completely first. First let it drain. After it's drained probably halfway, that sign will be gone. And now you can actually open it. See, this is how you open. And then after this, you have to clean it. Maybe there is something clogged inside. When this drains completely, open this. Now let's open this. Get a bucket inside. Use this. It must be clogged. See, there's more water coming out. Actually, it's not that bad.